Hello. Today we're going to guide you through one of the applications of PickMyLink, known as Brand Collab. This application assists creators and influencers in gathering all inquiries related to brand collaborations. Let's say a brand is interested in collaborating with an influencer. With Brand Collab, they can effortlessly collect and manage these inquiries and finalize deals with brands. Let's quickly show you how to set it up. It's a straightforward process. First, navigate to the Apps menu in PickMyLink. Then, open the Brand Collab app. Upon opening the app, it will prompt you to add your social media URLs, such as your YouTube and Instagram profile links. Once you've configured the URLs, you'll gain access to the application. Now, let's quickly grab a YouTube channel as an example. We'll open this YouTube channel, copy the channel URL, and paste it here for demonstration purposes. Then, click Save. Once you've saved, you'll receive a prompt indicating that your channel has been linked. You can also configure your pricing, specifying how much you wish to charge for collaborations. You can select the types of ads you'd like to work with. This step is entirely optional. Once you click Save, you'll see that your YouTube and Instagram links have been added. Now that this is done, you can see how the brand inquiry works by opening your public profile. We'll open up the profile PickMyLink/Propudas. Here you'll see that the Brand Collab app is enabled. Simply navigate to the Brand Collab menu in your public profile. There you'll see your stats, including average comments, likes, and views for your channel. Brands visiting your public PickMyLink profile can easily submit an inquiry by clicking on the Contact button. Upon clicking, a small form will open allowing brands to submit their contact details. For instance, let's submit some details here. We'll enter a name, number, and email. Here are the email details, and let's accept the terms and conditions. After submitting the inquiry, this contact information will be sent as an inquiry. As you can see, the request has been successfully submitted and a notification appears stating that we'll contact you soon. The brands are now notified that their inquiry has been captured. As an influencer, you can now go back to your Brand Collab app and open the Brand Inquiries tab. Here, you can see the number of inquiries you've received so far and easily identify who has been trying to reach out to you. You can see their name, their company name, the date of inquiry, and their email and phone number. Now, you can contact them, reach out, and finalize your deal. This simple and effective app ensures that influencers don't miss any inquiry details. Often, when using emails or sharing mobile numbers, there's a chance you might miss out on some inquiries. This tool helps manage all your inquiries. Whenever you want to reach out to a brand, you can discuss their inquiry, their collaboration ideas, and then proceed with the collaboration if you wish. This tool helps save all your inquiries, manage them efficiently, and aids in better monetization through brand collaboration. We encourage you all to install this app. Make use of the Brand Collab module and monetize to make some good money.